assemble po natin yung ating football coin bank. Ayan po siya. Lagyan po siya natin ng battery. And then, tapos andito po yung pag maglalaro ka, i-shoot niya dito. Tapos nandito yung lagayan niya sa loob. Ayan. Gagamitin natin ng coins later. Set up lang muna natin. Tapos lagay natin tong net niya. And then yung player. Lagyan natin tong player. Ayan. Nakita nyo yun. Alright, let's start the game. And that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Sai. Alright, thank you so much for watching.